à tous and welcome back to the channel. Welcome to episode 3. I'm Chris and today we are tackling a massive goal: how to speak French fluently. I know what you're thinking. Does speaking fluently mean you need a massive vocabulary? Or do you have to move to Paris and eat croissants every day? Spoiler alert, none. You don't need to live in France to become fluent. Today we're breaking down practical, realistic steps to get your French flowing naturally. Grab your coffee, get comfortable, and let's jump right in. First thing first, let's address the biggest roadblock, the obsession with perfection. A lot of learners think fluency means never making a mistake, never hesitating and talking at a lightning-fast speed. But guess what? Even native French speakers make mistakes, hesitate, and forget words. True fluency isn't about perfection. It's about communication. It's about getting your message across smoothly, even if your grammar isn't 100% textbook. Once you accept that making mistakes is part of the process, a huge weight lifts off your shoulders. Étape 1. Passer du study au do. Step number 1. Stop studying French and start using it. We often fall into the trap of doing endless grammar exercises and vocabulary lists, but languages aren't math formulas. They are skills, more like playing an instrument or riding a bike. To get fluent, you need active practice. Instead of just reading a text, read it out loud. Instead of writing down vocabulary words, make up your own sentences using them. Immerse your daily life in French. Change the language settings on your phone. Listen to French podcasts on your commute, or watch YouTube videos with French subtitles. Étape 2. Le parler seul. Solo speaking. Step number 2 is a secret weapon that zero-cost language learners swear by: talking to yourself. I know it sounds a little crazy, but hear me out. The biggest reason people freeze when speaking French is that their mouth muscles aren't used to making French sounds. When you're alone in your kitchen or your room, narrate what you're doing. Je fais du café. I'm making coffee. Il fait beau aujourd'hui. The weather is nice today. Je dois acheter du pain. I need to buy bread. This builds muscle memory and eliminates the fear of hearing your own voice in French. Étape 3. Accepter les fillers, les tics de langage. Step number 3. Learn how to stall like a native. When you speak English, you probably use filler words like like, or you know, when you're thinking of what to say next. In French, native speakers do the exact same thing. If you master these little filler words, you will instantly sound more fluent and relaxed. Du coup, as a result, French people use this constantly. En fait, actually, well, instead of sitting in total silence trying to find a word, dropping a natural du coup gives your brain time to catch up without breaking the conversation flow. Let's see how putting these habits together changes the way you speak. Compare someone translating strictly in their head, I want to go to the store because I need food, versus someone using a natural flow with everyday fillers. En fait, du coup, je dois aller au magasin parce que je n'ai plus rien à manger. Actually, so I need to go to the store because I have nothing left to eat. See the difference? It sounds alive, human, and completely natural. There you go. Fluency isn't magic. It's a collection of small daily habits. Stop worrying about mistakes, start speaking out loud, and bring French into your everyday life. If this episode helped you see fluency in a new way, hit that subscribe button and share it with a fellow language learner. Thank you so much for watching. This was Chris. Keep practicing, stay confident, and I'll see you in the next episode. Salut!